Hello and welcome to this quick introduction about Buildings app for Trimble Access. Let's start first watching what is the Buildings app solution. It is a quick and intelligent building service software for total stations and the Trimble Access. We support several workflows such as DXF, TBC, Trimble Business Center, DWG, SketchUp, Revit and AutoCAD. We offer the customization of 2D and 3D representation for different customer needs. And we are quicker on site, and at the same time we create automatic 2D, 3D and BIM models in the office. The solution has different components. First we have the Trimble Access app for the data collection, and then for the office we have different solutions that you can choose. We have the first option, Trimble Business Center. There is a plugin for Trimble SketchUp, and coming very soon the plugins for Revit and AutoCAD. Let's check how the workflow works. So in the field we are with our total station and we are measuring different points for different elements through the Trimble Access app for buildings, and then just with the mouse click between the field and the model and the office we will get such results. Inside Trimble Business Center, for example, a 2D customized representation and the 3D, and inside Trimble SketchUp we will get the 3D model with all walls, windows, doors, columns, etc. And from there we will go to the 3D world and BIM world. In this overview we see the workflows that we can follow. We are in the field with the Trimble Access Buildings app, and from there we can go through Trimble Business Center, through a job or job XML file, and create 2D or 3D deliverables. From there we can even create an enhanced DWG DXF, which is the recommended way to create highly detailed plans. We have another option going through Trimble SketchUp, so also with a mouse click we create a 3D and BIM model, and from there we can just export it to IFC, so we will be able to go into the BIM world. Regarding the supported controllers, instruments and languages, we support at the moment all Trimble tablet PCs, Trimble Tablet 1, 2 and the new tablet, Trimble Tablet T10. We also support third-party tablets such as Panasonic Toughbook and other ones where you can install Trimble Access. And we also support traditional controllers such as TCU, Model 3, THC3, and also inside the total station for the Trimble M3 and the new Trimble C5. The supported instruments are all Trimble S-Series instruments, S3, S5, S6, S7, S8 and S9, and also inside the instrument Trimble M3 and C5, but we also support some non-Trimble instruments which are supported by Trimble Access. There are some Leica instrument, Topcon, Sokia, Spectra. We support at the moment 3 languages, English, German, Spanish, but we are working on the translation for Chinese, French and Arabic, which should be coming very soon. We have different methods for measuring different elements in the building. For example, for walls we have the way of measuring the corners, like in this image on the left, or we can measure 2 points per wall, like in the image on the right, and the software calculates the corners intersection. For measuring doors and windows, we have also some guided masks where you can measure some points, and you, for example, the seal height, either you measure it directly or you type in the seal height manually if you cannot see the point. And then you can measure the top point left and right, the same for the doors. And we can also use mixed measurements, so measuring with the total station, the points that I see, and the hidden corners can be measured with a distance meter in the same mask, so you mix both, and then from here you continue measuring with the total station. You can also measure from outside the room. If you see some wall, for example, you set up your instrument in front of the door, you do a resection with some points along the corridor and measure 2 points on the opposite wall, and then from there you measure with the distance meter forward, left, and you close the room. The software offers different measure tags, as you can see here, for the main window where you see the jobs, the walls, openings, columns and beams, symbols, tools, etc. And for each individual one of them, you can see here some examples for walls where you can see the elements that you need to measure, for the doors, for the staircases, columns, symbols, and there are some more. Let's check the advantages of this solution. So this is a very known and actual Trimble Access environment. If you are used to work with it, if you don't know it, you will see that Trimble Access is a very user-friendly data collection interface and very easy to use, so it will speed up your work in the field. You don't need any additional CAD package, such as AutoCAD or whatever, so where you have to run along the building with an additional laptop. And this enables you the entry into the 3D modeling and BIM world if you haven't done it yet. We are quicker on site and create automatically 2D and 3D deliverables in the office. And we create several workflows for different contractors. Thanks for watching, and if you have any additional questions, please contact your local Trimble dealer or send us an email under info@trimble-access-buildings.com. Thanks.